pansit. Ayan guys, naano ko na yung ating pansit. Naigisa ko na. Tapos ilalagay natin yung ating cabbage. Ayan guys. Ayan yung ating pansit ngayon. Halo-haloin lang yan guys. Ayan. Pansit na may toge guys. Pansit gisado with toge. Yan. Tapos ng pansit, ilagay naman natin yung toge. Yan, ating toge. Tapos yung ating mushroom guys. Ayan. Ayan guys, ang yummy-yummy ng ating pansit. Pansit, gisado, with toge and mushroom. Halo-haloin lang guys hanggang sa maluto. Ayan. So ayan guys. Ito na yung ating pansit. That's for all today. Thank you for watching. Sana magustuhan nyo yung ating recipe guys.